Hardwood floors look beautiful until dust, crumbs, and pet hair start stealing their shine every day. Welcome to my channel, where today we're exploring the top 6 best automatic vacuum cleaner for hardwood floors for effortless cleaning, safer surfaces, and more free time. Check the links in the description to choose confidently. The number 6 product on our list is Eitton Robot Vacuum. Dust on hardwood floors looks small until sunlight exposes every trail. An Eitton Robot Vacuum turns that daily irritation into something you barely think about. Built for busy homes, pet owners, and anyone tired of chasing crumbs, this automatic vacuum cleaner uses powerful 6,000 paw suction to lift hair, dust, and debris from hard floors. And carpets with serious authority. The 4-in-1 sweep, vacuum, mop, and self-cleaning design adds real convenience, while the self-emptying dock can hold dirt for up to 90 days, giving you more freedom from constant maintenance. Its 360-degree LiDAR mapping helps it move with purpose instead of wandering randomly, and the app lets you schedule rooms, create no-go zones, adjust suction, and use Alexa. Voice control. The pros are strong suction, smart mapping, mopping support, hands-free dust collection, and excellent time savings. The downside is that premium features may feel excessive for tiny spaces. Compared with basic bump navigation robots, Eitton feels smarter and more complete. At number 5 is iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Robot Vacuum. Pet hair, crumbs, and dried paw prints can make hardwood floors feel messy minutes after cleaning. And iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Robot Vacuum attacks that cycle with serious intelligence. Its 70 times stronger suction than older Roomba 600 series models pulls debris from hard floors and rugs, while dual clean mop pads with perfect edge reach closer to walls for a more finished look. Smart Scrub adds deeper mopping power for sticky kitchen spots, and Clearview Pro LiDAR maps your home with sharp accuracy day or night. The Precision Vision AI is a major relief for busy homes because it avoids cords, socks, and even pet waste instead of dragging problems around. The Auto Wash dock handles auto-emptying, mop washing, pad refreshing, and heated drying, making maintenance feel almost invisible. The pros are premium mapping, strong suction, smart obstacle avoidance, voice control, app zones, and polished design. The downside is its higher price. Compared with Eitton, Roomba feels more advanced for homes needing powerful mop care. At number 4 is DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum. Some floor messes hide in corners like they know your vacuum will miss them, but DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum brings a sharper kind of cleaning. Its massive 5,000 paw suction gives hardwood floors, rugs, and carpets a deeper reset, pulling up dust, crumbs, and pet hair with serious force. What makes it feel premium is the way its brush and mop extend toward edges, under furniture, and into tricky corners where dirt usually survives. The all-in-one self-cleaning dock reduces hands on maintenance, while mop lifting and carpet care modes help protect mixed flooring. Smart Pathfinder and 3D Adapt navigation guide it around shoes and obstacles instead of creating new problems. The pros are extreme suction, precise mapping, edge cleaning, pet zone support, app control, voice control, long battery life, and off-peak charging. The downside is that solution filling needs a separate module. Compared with Roomba Plus 505, DREAME feels more suction-focused for demanding homes. The third one on our list is Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum. Hair and dust do not wait for cleaning day, they collect quietly until hardwood floors lose their shine. Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum steps in with powerful suction built for both hard floors and carpets, giving busy homes a cleaner look without constant effort. Its Smart Path LiDAR navigation maps your space and cleans in neat rows, so it feels more organized than random moving robot vacuums. Object detection helps it avoid everyday clutter, while Recharge and Resume keeps the job going after the battery runs low. The self-emptying bagless base holds up to 60 days of dirt, which saves money on replacement bags and keeps maintenance simple. The self-cleaning brush roll is a real win for pet owners because it fights hair wrap while pulling debris from floors. The pros are strong suction, row-by-row coverage, object avoidance, voice control, and low upkeep. The downside is no built-in mopping. Compared with DREAME L40 Ultra, Shark feels simpler and more budget-minded. On number 2 is Tikom Robot Vacuum. Clean floors should not demand your energy every single day, and Tikom Robot Vacuum makes that relief feel surprisingly reachable. With 6,000 paw suction, it lifts crumbs, dust, pet hair, and deeper dirt from hardwood floors and carpets, then boosts power automatically when it reaches carpeted areas. The 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping setup adds extra care for hard floors, while 3 suction levels and 3 water settings let you match the mess instead of overdoing the clean. Its 360-degree LiDAR navigation builds accurate maps, avoids obstacles, saves up to 5 floor layouts, and reduces missed spots. The 3-liter self-emptying bag handles up to 90 days of debris, which is a big relief for busy families and pet owners. The pros are strong suction, smart mapping, app control, Alexa support, no-go zones, no mop zones, auto recharge, and 150-minute runtime. The downside is removing the mop holder for carpets. Compared with Shark Navigator, Tikom adds mopping and stronger customization. Now moving to the last one is iRobot i5 Robot Vacuum. Everyday dirt has a sneaky way of returning right after you finish cleaning, and iRobot i5 Robot Vacuum helps break that tiring cycle. This robot vacuum and mop is a strong match for hardwood floors, pet homes, apartments, and busy families who want wet and dry cleaning from one machine. With a simple bin switch, it transforms from all-floor vacuuming to vacuuming and mopping, using a microfiber pad to lift footprints, dust, and light grime. Its 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes handle debris while resisting pet hair tangles. Imprint Smart Mapping lets you send it to specific rooms on schedule or instantly through the app, while Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant support make control feel effortless. The pros are room targeting, voice commands, dirt detect cleaning, mopping support, and optional self-emptying base compatibility. The downside is switching bins manually. Compared with Tikom, iRobot i5 feels simpler, but more polished for everyday hardwood care. Among all the winner, Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum is worth buying for strong cleaning, smart navigation, easy use, and reliable daily convenience. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best automatic vacuum cleaner for hardwood floors. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.